Hello there, welcome to today's video. Today we have an ongoing severe weather event across parts of the southern US with a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk in place. This is bringing with it an ongoing tornado and damaging wind threat, with a couple of observed tornadoes during the course of today so far. This is expected to continue well into the evening and indeed overnight, with the threat starting up again in the west early tomorrow before pushing through the whole region once again before it exits off the east coast late tomorrow evening. The good news is that tomorrow the tornado threat will be lower compared to today. As you can see, those severe thunderstorms are covering quite a wide area of the southern US, and they are bringing with them the threat of flash flooding where they remain in place for an extended period of time. Farther north, the same system is unfortunately bringing freezing rain and heavy snow to parts of the Great Plains and Great Lakes region. As mentioned previously, the risk today is a level 3 out of 5 or enhanced risk, and there are definitely numerous severe thunderstorms ongoing through the region as we speak. Tomorrow the risk is reduced to a level 2 out of 5 slight risk, and we expect the thunderstorms to be slightly more short-lived in any one location, but they should still be fairly widespread, just maybe a touch weaker than we've seen during the past 2 days. Here are the individual parameters for today. You can see the enhanced risk is driven by that hatched 10% SIG tornado risk, which brings with it the risk of significant EF2 plus tornadoes. You do not want to mess around on a day like today. If a strong tornado strikes your home, it could bring a tree down on your house or easily throw mobile homes. You do not want to be in a mobile home or a vehicle during a tornado warning, especially on a day where stronger tornadoes are expected. With the other parameters, we have a relatively small hail risk and a significantly larger, but still only 15% wind risk through all of the slight risk region. Tomorrow the risk is indeed reduced with no hail risk and only a 5% tornado risk, which is still notable but less than today. The wind risk is still 15% but much reduced in area. Once again, if you're in a tornado warning, seek shelter immediately and definitely do not try to see the tornado, as these will almost all be rain-wrapped. Here is the HRRR model presentation for the next couple of days. You can see we have ongoing storms at the time of this video. Those move eastwards and die out gradually through the night before more storms fire off to the west and form a long line that pushes through the whole risk region during the course of tomorrow, only exiting into the Atlantic by the late hours of the evening, shortly before midnight. As mentioned, the event is ongoing and there are tornado watches in place with additional severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings at the time of this recording. If you are in a warning, seek shelter immediately. Do not wait to take action. Your life could depend on it. We have seen life-threatening tornadoes in the past couple of days. Thankfully, no fatalities so far. People took action. You don't want to be the person that changes that. To make sure you can take action with plenty of time, you want to have a way to get a warning as soon as it is issued. That could be a NOAA weather radio, it could be an app on your phone, it could be a web page on your computer, or you could have the TV on a local news station which will broadcast warnings when they are issued. You want to check up on what to do before, during and after severe thunderstorms pass through your area to make sure you are as safe as you can be, and of course listen to local officials. If you think you might know someone who may not have received a warning, it's worth sending a text or calling them to check. Better to be safe than sorry. Of course, if you see lightning or hear thunder, you want to be inside just to avoid the outside chance of being struck. Lightning can strike well away from a thunderstorm. Just because it's far away, don't assume you're safe. And as previously mentioned in the case for tornado, you do not want to mess around. You do not want to be in a motor vehicle or a mobile home. You want to seek sturdy shelter. That could be a gas station, it could be a shop, a cafe. These places will let you in as long as they're open. No reason to stay in your vehicle. If you have a house nearby that you can go and stay in, or it's a community storm shelter, that's much better to be in than a mobile home. If you don't have shelter to get to, it might be worth just trying to get down in the low ground, and a ditch is preferred, so you're outside of your vehicle. Take action as soon as the warning is issued, and do not wait. Thank you, And please join us if you have any questions to ask.